Welcome, guys, welcome. You will want to be part of this epic adventure where the girls cook color style by the beach. Bring it on, girls, bring it on. So, we also have a foot-long scroll of the supporters. Check to see if you're on. Check to see if your name is there when the roll is called. See if you're there. We even discovered fruits that we could use as part of the adventure, guys. Real nice Jamaican fruits. And then help us make some decisions like, should we climb this jelly tree? Should we climb the coconut tree to get this jelly or not? Tell us what you think, right? You'll have a chance to tell us what you think. And not to mention, we looked for wood to make the fire, but all the rain in Portland, couldn't find no wood. So check out what else we use. But you see this piece of stick? We're going to attempt to use it. Make a spoon or a fork. Check and see which one. What you do? Little rest left in that pot. And mix up with some gravy. Give me some. Yeah. You turn off the camera? No. It's still a record. Catch him. Guys, you can't afford to be late. May I tell you.